I think, see, to reach where Deepika or Katrina are, they've put in a lot of years of their career. I've just started.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't happen this easy. Let's not take away from the fact that even these are not women that come from filmy families.
Yeah.
I had gained a certain amount of weight for the film, but the idea is that it does happen. I've seen it happen around me. I've seen it happen to other women. People have done it to me when I was younger because I was like a chubby kid.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm not going to compare my pay with somebody who's been in the industry for so many years, and I can't be somebody who does not attract a large audience but expect like a crazy pay.
Yeah.
So obviously, losing a parent isn't easy, and he was a wonderful father.
Yeah.
And you know, he was just, I mean, he's your father, you know, it's never going to be easy. It's still not easy. She has it her way. I'll be single for life.
Why?
Because
I'm very picky about the men she dates.
Oh,
I think I'm single because every guy who could be like a
potential.
Samsha shits on him. My journey so far has been very nice, and this whole debate that you're a star kid, you're a filmy person, non-filmy person, you might get the opportunities, but to survive it is only you. No mom or no dad. Your talent will take you forward. If you're talented and you do maybe have an edge over me because you belong to a film family, yes, you'll have more opportunities, you'll have more access because you're in the circle, but eventually your talent will speak.
Yeah.
I think, see, to reach where Deepika or Katrina are, they've put in a lot of years of their career. I've just started.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't happen this easy. Let's not take away from the fact that even these are not women that come from filmy families.
Yeah.
You know, they've made it on their own
Yeah.
and they've worked really hard. You know, so it is amazing where they are, and I hope I reach there, but my journey is going to be different. Everybody should do well, all films should do well, we all need to coexist, we all need to work well, and there are roles for me. I'm trying to create a space for myself. I've never been in a situation ki yaar, I wish I'd done that.
Yeah.
Yes, I did start off young because, you know, I realized that I need to earn my own money. I wanted to be independent and I really wanted to be a part of the movies. Obviously, I'm not going to compare my pay with somebody who's been in the industry for so many years, and I can't be somebody who does not attract a large audience but expect like a crazy pay.
Yeah.
You know, there has to be some logic behind it. I have been in a situation like, you know, where I've been paid 5% of what my male actor got, even though he had done the same number of films, same number of hits, and our career graphs have been very similar. But things have changed. You know, I think they have tremendously changed because there's this wave of films that are led by female
Women.
characters. I had gained a certain amount of weight for the film, but the idea is that it does happen. I've seen it happen around me. I've seen it happen to other women. People have done it to me when I was younger because I was like a chubby kid.
Yeah.
You know, so it's not that it doesn't happen, and that's the reason I did Dum Laga Ke Haisha, because I was like, you know, or the reason why I've done Bala is purely this, because, you know, there is this mold that the society has created.
Yeah.
There are these beauty standards that the world has made, and I think they should not exist. Every time with every film of mine, people come and tell me, "Kya kar rahe ho? Don't do it. It's not the right decision. Why would you want to like not look like yourself? Why would you want to age on screen? A dark girl is not beautiful." That's exactly that's the stereotype that Bala is trying to break. You know, why would you want to play a dark skinned character? You know, or why would you want to play a mother to a 15-year-old when you are only 27? And you know, why? And I've been said that. I don't read a script and I'm like, "Arey wah, 100 crores. Arey wah, 200 crores. No, I didn't do toilet with that in my mind. You know, I purely read a script. I enjoy the character. I enjoy the journey that I'm going to be a part of. I think I'm going to learn a lot from this character that I'm playing. I'm going to learn a lot from the experience of doing the film, and it's going to enrich me as a human being, and that's why I do it. If you're too short, it's a problem. If you're too tall, it's a problem. If you're too hairy, not hairy, fair, dark, everything is a problem. The fact is that we all are imperfect.
Yeah.
And the thing is that we need to accept our imperfections. The day we accept our imperfections, I think you'll be a lot happier in life.
Yeah.
I'm an actor.
Yeah.
It's my job to be able
Everything.
to transform. You know, if I don't do that, then I shouldn't play I shouldn't play Sandhya. I shouldn't
Yeah.
do Dam Laga Ke Aisha because I wasn't naturally that size.
You can't do
If
Sudha
we-
also.
I can't do Sudha because I can't do any of the parts that I do. So if I limit myself to the physicality of a character, then I will not exist because I'm not that kind of an actor. And then we go on a spree saying that, oh, you know, female actors, they only want to look pretty or they only want to look glamorous, they only want to do these things. But the point is when they try doing something different, forget female or male, just if an actor tries doing something different, you just can't accept it. Got a barrage of tweets, you know, where the ageism debate started, and then we had a whole bunch of tweets that people were like, you know, we loved you and Taapsee and we really want to put an end to, and the same people who tweeted about the ageism controversy, that, you know, I think you guys have done a phenomenal job. And so the idea is that watch the film. If it still bothers you, let me know. I was 18, Samiksha was probably 15.
Yeah.
So I think my mom is an extremely strong person. I lost my father to cancer.
Yeah.
So, you know, we'd seen him through a prolonged sickness and we'd seen him really suffer a lot.
Yeah.
And so obviously losing a parent isn't easy, and he was a wonderful father.
Yeah.
And you know, he was just, I mean, he's your father, you know, it's never going to be easy. It's still not easy, you know, we miss him like every day. But my mom's made of something else, you know, she really just got us together. We just went into warrior mode. I started working 4 times harder than I did. I think Samiksha suddenly grew up. I grew up. I realized that, okay, shit's getting real and we need to get our act together, you know. Because there was such a long sickness, and, you know, it was just like those 2 years were just a mess. We just realized that obviously you are an emotional wreck, but we really gathered ourselves very fast. Yeah. And now that we think back and we think about it, it really, there are days where we are like, how did we survive it? Yeah. You know, how did we go through it? Like, how did we? But it happened, and she has it her way. I'll be single for life.
Why?
Because
I'm very picky about the men she dates.
Oh.
I think I'm single because every guy who could be like
Potential.
Samiksha shits on him.
Oh, shut
So
up.
I'm just
Anyway.
fine, maybe not. I feel if I date another actor, I don't think we'll ever meet each other. Because your lives are so busy. Like, it won't happen.
True.
It's impossible. I think if I date somebody who's not from the fraternity or who's not an actor, like, you know, does something else, probably here the chances of having a healthier relationship are a lot higher. I do feel that, you know, you always have like some relationships that just break your heart in very many ways, and we all have gone through it.
Yeah.
But I guess at that point, you just have your best friend, you have your sister, and you just party your sorrows
distract
away.
yourself.
Party your sorrows away.